What's going on, CardboardCulture and friends and YouTube? Got today. I'm going to be busting two boxes, blaster boxes of 2021-22 NBA basketball hoops version retail blasters. It says look inside for the ultra rare anniversary edition parallel, which I have no idea how that's supposed to look. So let's hit this thing together and see for ourselves. Empty box. All right. So how many packs we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait a minute. 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 packs. Okay, that's an interesting number. Okay. Here we go. What we got here? We've got Wendell Carter Jr. base. Sadiq Bey, which was a rookie the year previous. Emmanuel Quickly. I'm not going to read all the names that you can see for yourselves. I'll just try and find the rookies or any base. Oh, we got a blue parallel of Tim Hardaway Jr. And who's our rookie? James Bonite. We got a red parallel coming up, or purple. Joe Harris. Hey, Fred Van Fleet. Wraps. Purple is Rudy Gobert. And our rookie card is Juan Toscano Anderson for the Golden State Warriors. We got an NBA Hoops Jalen Green Class Axe. I know that's a insert rookie. Then we got a rookie card of Isaiah Jackson for the Pacers. Mr. Three-Point Machine, Stephen Curry. Oh, we got an ice card. Oh no, not ice card. Silver Explosion. Usually they're teal. So who's our rookie here? We got a Trey Murphy, the third for New Orleans rookie. So who's our ice going to be? Or teal explosion. I keep calling it ice, but oh, I blew that. It's a rookie card of the Magic. Franz Wagner. I know who that is. And it's the anniversary edition. So is that one of the ultra rares? I wonder. I'm going to sleeve it up anyway. I think this is one of the anniversary edition parallels. And just to be sure, I'll put it in a top loader. Well, that's a pretty cool hit. I'm used to being these like the teal explosions from the previous years, but it says anniversary edition right there. And as on the box, it says, look for the ultra rare anniversary edition parallel. So I think I hit one of the anniversary edition parallels, and it's a rookie card too. Franz Wagner from Michigan Wolverines. All right. Well, that was exciting. We got here Kenrick Williams. These are all base cards, by the way. And again, I'm not going to read all the names. Thaddeus Young, now Raptor. Kyle Lowry, ex-Raptor. PJ Washington. Bogdanovich. We've got a freaking Flyers, John Morant. Now, they should do a freaking Flyers for next year where he was like, did that crazy block where he literally jumped up in the air and just picked off the ball. Got a rookie card of Jason Preston. Oh, shoot. Okay. Anthony Davis. Markel Fultz. Hey there, speaking of the man, John Morant going in for the slam. Nice picture. Michael Porter Jr. Oh, back-to-back Kembas. We got the base and the blue parallel. And we got a rookie card of Charles Bassey. Actually, I'm curious. Does the Wagner tell me where he was drafted? You know, it didn't say what position he was drafted at. Okay. DeAndre Jordan. What do we got here? Malik Beasley. Oh, what do we got? Sky View of Mr. Luka Doncic. Insert card. And a rookie is Trey Mann for the OKC Thunder. Goran Dragic. Did the guy even play one game for the Raptors? I don't think so. We've got a lights, camera, action of Jimmy Butler. Insert. And our rookie card is Corey Kispert. Oh, this is a thick card. It's a thick pack. Maybe it's just a decoy, but I'll save it for last here. Klay Thompson, who's back now playing Luka Doncic, which is an interesting picture of him yelling. Oh, nice. Oh, I love these. These are the Slam magazine inserts, and I pulled the Luka, which is awesome. These are cool. These are cool inserts. And we got a rookie card of the Memphis Grizzlies. Santi Aldama, rookie. But these Slam insert cards are actually really cool. These Slam magazines. And I don't think that's a parallel or anything. That's cool. All right. Well, Zion looking very Zion-esque with his slam. If the guy hopefully can come back, that'd be great. Kendrick Nunn. Although a lot of people seem to enjoy the fact that he's failing, which you don't want to see anybody fail. You want everyone to be successful in what they're doing. So I'm hoping he comes back. And we got a freaking Flyers club of Rudy Gobert. Insert. And a rookie card. Oh, Raptors, Scotty Barnes. Gotta like that. I gotta leave that one for hometown Raps. Scotty Barnes. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so this one's thicker than the rest, so I'm not sure what's going on in here. But we'll find out together. It could be just a decoy card. Who knows? Okay. Okay, this thing's going around and around here. Evan Fournier. Oh, it is a insert jersey. Rise and shine. Trey Mann, rookie jersey card. Nice. Oh, I just dropped it. We got here NBA Hoops Suns. Another slam card of Devin Booker. Sweet. And a Miles McBride rookie card. I'd love to know where they were drafted, in what position, but it doesn't say. Okay, so let me sleeve up the another slam card or insert card. This one's a Devin Booker. And let me sleeve up the rookie jersey card of Trey Mann. Was not expecting that. So this was a pretty good blaster, actually. All right, on to blaster number 2. Will blaster number 2 be as successful as number 1? I don't know. It might be hard to compete with that. It doesn't look like there's any fatties in these packs. Oh, maybe. Maybe. All right. Let's see how we do with this blaster box. Okay. Chris Boucher, the Raptors. Jakob Hurtle, ex-Raptor. Blue parallel, Darius Garland. Those are Cleveland Cavaliers, and Cleveland this year has been a surprise team. They've been doing really well. Nice blue parallel there. And then we got Aaron Wiggins, OKC. Again, I don't know where these guys were drafted, so it's hard for me. I'm assuming this dude, Cade Cunningham, is the one you want to pull because he's actually on the cover. Trae Young. Oh, we got a purple parallel of, who is it? Patrick Beverly. And then our rookie is JT Thor. RJ Barrett. And we got a class of 2021 Orlando Magic, Franz Wagner. And then we got behind him a rookie card of Joshua Primo. Now, will this tell me where he was drafted? Nope, doesn't tell me where he was drafted. I'd love to know what draft order they were. First pick overall, second pick overall. Okay. Norman Powell, ex-Raptor. We got a lights, camera, action of LaMelo Ball. There you go. He was a rookie last year. And this is Isaiah Todd, rookie card. Kobe White. Oh, another Slam magazine card, insert card of Klay Thompson. All laid back. And who is our rookie card? Jared Butler. Jazz. These Slam magazine cards are actually kind of neat. Blue parallel, but the corner's kind of dinged. Who's this? Bojan Bogdanovic. And then our rookie card is Chris Duarte. Frequent flyers of Ben Simmons. And our rookie card is Zaire Williams. I think he's the better one of the rookie cards for the Memphis Grizzlies, I think. Who we got here? Sky View of Joel Embiid. And we got Cameron Thomas as our rookie card. Is that a thicker one? That looks like it's a thicker one as well. I could be wrong. It just feels that way. All right. Kevin Love. And a blue rookie parallel of Josh Christopher for the Houston Rockets. Is he one of the better picks? I can't remember now. And we got Greg Brown III for Portland. Since it's a rookie parallel, I'll just leave it up. All right. Well, it does look a little thicker. We'll see. Zion Williamson. Oops. Stack is running away on me here. Okay, Darius Baisley. We got Pure Players. That's a different insert of LeBron James. Nice. And we got, Cade Cunningham. That was the guy. So I'm going to assume that he's actually pretty good. Otherwise, he wouldn't be on the packaging. Nice. Card number 201. Usually, if it's the first one of the series, it's usually the first pick. So that's cool. And last pack, but not least, let's see what we got out of this one. Well, it looks like we got another possibility of another rookie jersey here. That's pretty cool. All right. Enes Kanter, Rui Hachimura, Joe Ingles, and then I got one more. Who's this? Onyeka Ongwangu on the back. Who's our rookie? Quentin Grimes. Let's do this. What we got here? Nope. It's going this way. Or this way. Nope, I'm completely wrong. Because I didn't have to do that because there's another card back here. That's CJ McCollum on the back, which is lights, camera, action. So who is this? It's a rookie jersey of Santi Aldama for the Memphis Grizzlies. So I pulled another rookie jersey card. I don't think they're guaranteed one per box, though. I don't think. Hang on, let me sleeve them up. Then I'll look at the odds again. Okay, let's see what we got here. It says, look for randomly insert base purple anniversary edition blue. Yep. Base rookies, purple anniversary edition blue. Base rookies, red number to 75. Hot signature rookies, green. Rookie ink, green. Arriving now, hollows. Hollow, yeah. Rise and Shine memorabilia. Rise and Shine Prime number 25. Rookie Remembrance. Rookie Remembrance Prime number 25 on average base card length. It doesn't say what the frequency of these rookie jersey cards is. Look for Blaster exclusive Ryan Shine memorabilia. Oh, look for. Doesn't necessarily. Oh, sorry. You can't even see that. It says look for Blaster exclusive Rise and Shine memorabilia and Rookie Remembrance. So, And then look for retail exclusive inserts, which, including Return of Slam. Okay, so that's what that was. All right. That's just the base cards. I can go back there. These are your basic inserts. The pure LeBron is kind of cool. You got your blue parallels. You got lights, camera, action. Franz Wagner is a rookie, so I should leave that up or go in the rookie pile. Darius Garland blue. Skyview Doncic. Kemba Walker blue. John Morant frequent flyers. Rudy Gobert. Tim Hardaway Jr. blue. Now, in terms of the rookie cards, I'll probably have to look these up unless somebody can help me in the comments. But we've got here Wagner, Grimes, Josh Christopher, Greg Brown III, Cameron Thomas, Zaire Williams, Chris Duarte, Jared Butler, Isaiah Todd, Joshua Primo, JT Thor, Aaron Wiggins, Miles McBride, Scotty Barnes, Raptors, Santi Aldama, Corey Kispert, Trey Mann, Charles Bassey, Jason Preston, Trey Murphy III, Isaiah Jackson, Jalen Green, I believe is actually pretty good, but that's class of though. And then Juan Toscano Anderson and James Bonite. So that's and then in terms of the inserts and stuff, the better hits, I should say. Santi Aldama rookie jersey. And again, I don't think these are, what are these? Not associated with any specific player, game, or event. So it's probably something from a photo shoot. Then we hit the Cade Cunningham rookie card, which is awesome. Slam magazine cover of Klay Thompson. Rookie jersey of Rise and Shine Trey Mann for the OKC Thunder. Sorry, it's actually the theme is called Rise and Shine. Slam Devin Booker. Slam of Luka Doncic. And we hit the ultra rare anniversary edition, which really reminds me of the Teal Explosions. Rookie card of Franz Wagner for the Orlando Magic. And that laser effect is pretty cool. All right, there you have it. That is my 2-box break of NBA Hoops 21-22. And thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you all next time. Peace out.